So again, the first 3 things that you got to do to start a podcast: figure out what you want to achieve, who you're helping, and what you do that's differently. That's the main thing. After that, there's a couple of little things that you got to do. Okay. You got to get your podcast artwork. If you're working with my team, we do that for you automatically. If you're not working with my team, you might have to go to like Fiverr or Upwork and spend a little bit of money for somebody to create a few different podcast artworks. You'll throw them on social. You'll see what people think. You'll decide on one. Other things, you'll need your intro and outro. Here's a couple ideas. Your intro should be about 15 to 20 seconds, but 15 is the goal. And it should really call out the avatar. You already know, what do I want to achieve? Who do I serve? How do I serve them better than the other person? And that kind of stuff is going to happen in your intro, in your 15 seconds of intro. And then you're going to hire a voiceover artist, or if you're working with my team, we do that for you. We hire the voiceover artist, male or female voice. It doesn't matter. It's always going to be free. Or you go to Fiverr or Upwork or something and find somebody who's a voice actor and pay them to record your intro. And then the next step is going to be your music. All right. So you've heard from people, don't pay for music. There's so much free music. You can get rights to music. There's all this advice. And I want you to think of making sure that your logo doesn't look like Pepsi or Coke. So this is your visual brand. Your visual brand is your logo. Your audio brand is your music. So again, you're not using music that somebody else has. You're not going to find somebody else's music and just use it for your podcast. If you don't have the rights to it, it'll get taken down. That's not a good thing. If you pay $10 or $20 for a piece of music, or $50, whatever it costs, if you pay to have the rights to use something that a lot of other people can pay and have the rights to use, then the problem is you don't have an audio brand. You're just copying Coca-Cola and Pepsi's logo. You don't want to copy somebody's logo. You want your own. And so what I would suggest you do, if you work with my team, we go through all this. Basically, we say, give us one song that you like, maybe 2 max, but really just focus on one, and then go and find the timestamp that you like the best. Let's pretend like it's what's that song? Pressure by Queen. Doom, 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 dicka, doom, doom, shh, doom, 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 right? And so you go and you find Pressure, and you say, my favorite part is seconds 6 through 20. And we're like, okay, this is the piece that he likes. And then we ask you, what do you like about it? And you say, I like the instrumentation, or I like the guitar, or I like the bass guitar. I like that little cymbal or hi-hat that is coming in, or the snare, I like the instrumentation. Or you'll say, like, I don't like the instrumentation, but I like the melody. Whatever it is, you tell us what you like and what you don't like. And then I go and hire a composer to try to create some music with that style, that feel. But it's your own personal audio brand. It's your own music that nobody else has the rights to. Nobody else can use. We create it just for you. And so if you're working with us, we'll do all that stuff. If you're not, then you just kind of do the same process that I told you, but go and find maybe somebody on Upwork or Fiverr.